We have a common problem. The LED bulb on our Kichler lawn landscaping light has burned out and it needs to be replaced. So we went to our home supply store, Lowe's in our case, and purchased a bulb. Okay. Now we're going to replace it. Very simple. The lampshade is held on by 2 bolts on either side. My associate is removing them. That comes off, and there's a lens cover over the bulb. That comes off quite easily. Yours may be stuck on it a little bit if it's been there for a while. The bulb, the LED bulb, snaps out. It's got a 2-pin connector. Now we're going to take our bulb that we purchased at Lowe's, snap it in, there are 2 springs on either side. The pins line up in the holes. The springs hold in. There you go. We're going to put the lens cover back on. Just rotates the counter. And there you go. That rotates on quite easily. You may have debris that is gathered around your lens cover. You want to clean that out if you do. Okay. Now the shade goes on, and the 2 bolts that hold our shade on are screwed in place. And the repair is complete in less than 2 minutes. That's how easy it is. Thank you for watching our video.